Outstanding Young Alumna Katie Myette is the founder and executive director of the Restore Network. The nonprofit organization recruits Christian households to serve as foster families, adoptive families, and support teams to foster children in Illinois. Katie and her husband, Ben, felt called to start the Restore Network in 2009 in response to the overwhelming need for more foster families in their area. Katie graduated from GU in 2005, earning her degree in elementary education. She believes God prepared her for her current work long before she married Ben and before she even thought of having children. While on mission trips to underprivileged areas of the world as a teenager, Katie recalls being filled with a burden for children in need. It happened again when Katie met traumatized children during her first student teaching assignment through GU. Katie and her husband began fostering when the Restore Network started as a ministry in their church. It now operates in 6 counties in southern Illinois and works with the Illinois Department of Children and Family Services to place foster children in homes. With the expansion to other counties, Katie and her team enlist churches in those counties to become partner churches in supporting the Restore Network and the foster families in their county. Katie and Ben are currently raising 6 children of their own and have spent 5 years as foster parents. Since starting this ministry, Katie has excelled at developing and spreading her vision to inspire others, raise up other leaders, and lead with grace and integrity. Congratulations, Katie, on being named Greenville University's Outstanding Young Alumna of the Year.